The problem isn't your internet plan. Your Wi-Fi is fast. Your settings are slow. 4 free fixes, no new router, no technician, just 5 minutes tonight. Here's what's actually throttling your connection. Your router is probably in the wrong spot, walls cutting your signal by 62%. You're on a crowded Wi-Fi channel shared with your neighbors. And your ISP's DNS server is slow by design, adding lag to every single page you open. None of this costs anything to fix. If it's in a corner, against a wall, or on the floor, you're losing up to 60% of your signal before it even reaches you. Center of the home, elevated, away from walls. That one change alone can double your effective range. Fix 2, switch your Wi-Fi channel. Your router shares airspace with every neighbor nearby. Most people are defaulted to channel 6, which means everyone is competing on the same frequency. Log into your router admin page and switch to channel 1 or 11. Less competition, cleaner signal, faster speeds. Fix 3, change your DNS server. Every time you open a website, your device has to look up its address. Your ISP's DNS takes 140 milliseconds to respond. Cloudflare's free DNS, 1 takes 9, that's 16 times faster, for every single page you open. Fix 4, 3 quick device settings. First, make sure you're on 5 GHz, not 4 GHz. It's twice as fast at close range. Second, forget old saved networks. Your device wastes time connecting to coffee shops and hotels you visited years ago. Third, turn off Wi-Fi Assist. It switches you to mobile data without telling you. The result, speed test before, 8 megabits per second. Speed test after, 185, 23 times faster. Free, tonight, 4 fixes, 0 cost, under 10 minutes. Run a speed test right now, do these 4 things, then run it again. Drop your before and after in the comments, I read every single one. And subscribe, a new free tech fix every week.